Hello friends, I am Digvijay Singh Pariyar from Digvijay IAS Academy, and now I am talking about the current issues. The current issues of the Collective Securities Collective Security Treaty Organization CSTO. It is a Russia based, it is a Russia dominated security alliance which was established after the USSR's fall when some members of the Commonwealth of Independent States signed a mutual defense treaty named the CSTO. CSTO. It has a six member today: Russia, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Armenia, Belarus, and Kazakhstan. It is a Russia dominated security alliance. It is a Russia dominated security alliance because Russia wants to establish a security organization against the NATO's when the decline of the or dismantle of the USSR in 1990s. So that's Russia want to collective securities against the NATO organization. That is why it has formed the CSTO. It is a replacement for the Warsaw Pact. Warsaw Pact, it is a pact that signed between the USS members countries in 1948-1949 against the NATO's organizations to collectively security against the NATO's forces or inventions, because the USSR countries represented the communist ideology against the capitalist ideology. That is why the Warsaw Pact. So after the decline of the or dismantle of the USSR in 1990s, this Warsaw Pact converted into as a CSTO. The treaty came into force in 1994. This treaty was came into 1994 due to the new alliance of the Warsaw Pact. That is the main important thing. In 2002, it became the CSTO. It became the CSTO. But now question is that why it is in news? Why it is in news? Because the in Kazakhstan recently there was some revolt against the government, established government. So definitely the extremist group wants to dismantle the Kazakhstan government in anyhow. So that is why the Russia wants to dominates their foreign policy as well as trade policies against the extremist group, because it has shared the some borders in Kazakhstan areas. So that is why Russia doesn't want to shift the power into the extremist peoples or extremist organizations. That is why that is why it has deployed the CSTO forces into this Kazakhstan region. That is the main reason. Now question is that in Hindi सामूहिक सुरक्षा संगठन के बारे में निम्नलिखित कथनों पर विचार करें। ये यूएसएसआर के पूर्व सदस्यों का संगठन है, यह एक रूसी वर्चस्व वाला संगठन है, यह वार्सा पैक्ट के लिए एक पूरक है। उसमें से कौन से कथन सत्य है? केवल सेकंड ए एंड बी एंड the question in English. Question: consider the following statement about collective security organization. It is the organization of the former member of USSR. It is a Russian dominated alliance. It is a replacement for the Warsaw Pact. Which of the above statements are true? Only A, second A and B, third B and C.